will go pray. We tell us say which artist
una dey very wicked
or actor or actress feel una think say na man before or na woman if na man now say na woman before if na woman now say na man before.
Say me una give una, you know.
Then wait again. Then Dupe who na say Daddy Shoki na woman before.
Why you go think say Daddy Shoki na?
My brother Daddy Shoki na woman na which na him be na witchcraft na be. Then Ike Ogbonna na woman before. Anita Hogan and Empress Njama na correct guys. Yeah.
Mohammed Farouk,
God will judge you. And then Face of Africa say Mr. Ibu fit be woman before. No, Mr. Ibu can't enough fit be woman. And then when them see a man before, she turn woman. Then a woman before and turn man. Then Anthony Emecheta say when them see a man before, people wey do her operation, they not do am well. Now she hang for middle.
Una dey very wicked. Una dey. Noel Andrew say, me I think say Honorable Desmond Elliot the idiot na woman. Him be now. Ima Roland say, that guy is 6 pack be like easy bit old. How you take know? Where you
my brother, how you for easy bit 6 pack?
How you take
for one? Why not?
I don't know.
Hey.
Anyway,
we hand over to Bumi Oni, the owner of Monday on top of HR Monday.
No, but we won't conclude this toxic behavior now. No, because
now we
want to say, okay, how they want to cope with, you know, all these things. You know, say last Monday, when we been toxic, say other things they we don't even know when be toxic behavior.
Oh yeah, over to you. Talk those things we will not know.
You know, say last week we end say people where they speak profane words.
Like, what the F is going on, man? Hey, like Mr. Gaga, we be the read news for Cool FM, we don't come out. That man, I don't want to call his name.
That old man. Daddy.
What the F are you say, man?
You know, even if you tell him, it's okay, calm down. Don't tell me to calm the F down.
Do you know, I announced the coup in 1962.
Yes. Where went you that time?
Where were you? Well, you got... Okay, we went there. We went there.
You know, some people like speaking dirty words.
Yes.
Just normal dirty.
Anyhow.
Think it's normal. Just open mouth, just talk anyhow.
Especially for that kind of gathering like canteen.
You just hear shh, you know. What the shit, you know. What the...
He said, my brother, where you go? He said, I don't tell you sis. I go for up now. I just come back. You don't wash your hands. No, I don't need to. Let's say a normal something. I don't know see for no good tongue. You don't need
then another toxic trait be bad grammar. Yes.
Bad grammar and toxic.
I went there.
Yes. You see what in bad grammar they cause for work. You see, you go there less credible. People don't. If you they talk, don't they come? You go shoot us now. You go.
Even that one day I go pay for.
Then they go to talk confidently.
Big time.
What I go pay for? One Saturday. No, this one now real life story. I want to pay for subscription that day. I go TMU Savage.
Okay.
As I go pay subscription that day, no play. I enter there. My number na 200 and something. Then he can't get one girl we did now. Let's say 242. I remember that she be 242. So as I enter the make I go pay. The girl be don't come before, come out. And if you see this girl, fine girl, die. Juliet Ibrahim not fine Richard.
Now color
This
TV.
girl color TV up and down duplex and she be. Not
LED.
LED everything. Not being we don't already dey quick. They don't call me. I did the other side down. My ear sharp now. Then the girl come enter. Come near. I did this side. She did that side. Come say okay. She did when they come call number 260 something. Then she say I own a 242. Then she can't go back. Cause say excuse me, my own is 242. Why you have not called me? This is what I talk. My own is 242. Why you have not called me? Now what you can't catch my ear? Why you have not called me? Now I turn. Begin. Then the woman say, the girl where did they call say, but we call you now. Where were you? Where were you? You mean where were me? Where were me? Where me now here? Please, where me now here? Not be play, not be joke. I swear. That not be joke, I the joke. Where me now here?
And they talk confidently, loudly.
And if you see the girl, he hold BlackBerry Porsche. That 420,000 BlackBerry, he hold her for hand. If you see the nails, see the shoe. Hey, where you mean? Hey, I think na Yoruba girl. You go take clothes na Yoruba girl. Hey, say no. Na I take do with her phone. She hold her bag. You mean where me not here? Where me not here? Continue.
So you fit imagine that kind of person for your office or workplace. When they display those kind traits.
Then your MD go call you say, yeah, but MD, were me not here?
And was I not here? Then the person go there less confident, you know, because people go don't know. If they come say, you wear your bulletproof today, they come, you start, they shoot all of us now with gun. I beg, just wear your bulletproof. Then,
but not their fault. What if they sabi walk? But now the grammar they not sabi. You guys some people they say grammar they are not big in grammar. They are not big on grammar. Big. But for the work for their grammar they don't have a can-do spirit for the grammar. But for the work they fit do and well.
Okay. You know, one Yoruba say, "Ishele lo ngbe your data." See, as one person, I don't want to mention name, go before national TV say, "I wish Sunny Ade quickest recovery."
Who talk down?
Ah.
Who talk down?
Ah, ne do.
Here we not here.
Use your tongue and carry your teeth.
I wish Sunny Ade quickest recovery. You go not dey talk those kind mumu English. So if that kind of person dey your organization.
But we get person where they do tabon before. Thank God they're not there again.
So if those kind of people can't go, you go and make those kind of people, promote them, go, they represent the company outside.
You have to have patience in all that you're doing. Continue.
Then people like that, they receive fewer promotions for work. Because you know one, see, competition day, branding day.
And nobody want
person will be saying, no, if it's a bit work,
send you go message, but if you send you go somewhere, you know, feel different, you know.
Aha.
Represent
you feel dress well, but dress fine. Come out like they go say, ta, who be this person? My God, I don't tell work at GQ magazine, but open your mouth.
If our people no go fit control that.
That expression go be one in town.
Then another one be insensitive communication. See, people, if no, even make we not say interview now, you just discuss with your colleague for office, you know, like you're discussing politics and all those kind of things. Now, toxic traits where be say person they quick exit from a conversation.
I don't understand.
Aha. You are your colleagues. You just they discuss. Maybe they watch TV.
Yes.
You know, can they comment on some nominees? This person, this. Now communication. Now they talk.
Yes.
They gist.
Yes.
Now wrong. Now toxic trait make you. Maybe the thing where they talk. Now thing where no favor you. You feel talk them. Now communication. But some people, they go just come out themselves from the conversation.
Just sit down one corner. Like, just they look everybody else.
I bet me that they talk. They shout.
Nothing concern me for the talk now. Why
you start them first? Now communication. Now they communicate with each other. You know. But you feel
you feel say, but that also could be like now complex.
But if I keep quiet and go not talk, and as soon as
you don't talk from day one.
Do you understand?
As they talk, you don't join them.
Now you say, you know, if you
just
know what to talk inside the
exactly.
matter.
You just observe. But you can't they communicate with them. All of you, they talk, you know. Maybe some people, they share their opinion. Some people, they talk some kind of thing. You quick just exit from the communication. Just, like, say, man, wait till they talk.
Just come out your
just
body,
leave
so
them.
you go just day.
Make them, they talk, they go. So
so that's antisocial now?
Yes. If na conference room, where they hold board meeting. Now conference then call them. Everybody supposed to talk.
Okay.
Now so that kind of person go just do. Maybe they ask question. People want to know, okay, how can your company make money for us? Some people know if we go through maybe slide one, slide.
Yes.
Give us something that, you know, how can, every company wants to make money. Tell us how your company can make money for us. What are the kind of promotions and branding you can do? Because somebody asks question, we be say, you know, they part of it. You just quick exit yourself. As if you know they that conference.
So that na defense. You go say, I bet make them answer, make them make idea where I
if I go talk now, they say, na me spoil them. I know they.
But you don't say get people like that.
Yeah, they're plenty.
So
They're plenty.
when you question and answer session, you go there the meeting. There anybody will get anything to say, you go just.
Okay.
Meanwhile, when they shout menu, for that kind of
Item 7.
now them go first. Give me. Make I think. it be like saying, let me make a quick tick my own before they say food finish.
Okay, continue.
Another one be bragging.
Bragging.
How? Bragging how?
Yes. You see, for workplace, everybody where they hire, now for one skill or the other.
Make them hire.
Not be saying na the same skill, you know. Some people, if it be where their skill stop, now another one start. Some people, they feel they the same level. Especially when the jobs they graded. You go, no, me and this person are the same level with they waiting. Some people be your supervisor, some people be your... But some people, they go one brag to them colleague. Say, waiting they give us yesterday. I don't finish, I never do am. I don't finish now.
If you don't finish, I'm going
No, just to make them
the others
like,
feel like they are little to him or her. Me, I did there. I don't finish. You see there.
Meanwhile, nothing for you.
You never do am. If you don't do, I say we be saying rubbish. You do. But that simple. I beg. And Oga self go down and say this one. Anytime you say submit, it go be the first person to submit. But when you now go through the report, you go see now you score 0 for everybody. Meanwhile, when he come, I don't do am now. Since you see the okay, let's see. No, please. I have better things to do. You know, they gave us all of us time now. And you are still here. No. I have better things to do, please. I have more serious things to do.
Just make it be say you dey forefront or you sabi pass.
When they can't do performance appraisal, no be your bragging. They won't rate to at all. If you brag from here to now you're
no, but maybe
now what you do when they see?
Maybe it say they no go mention I'm come outside say in the brag. All those things now coded now when they appraise you now, you know, inside office now they no go call the other say see waiting this person they do.
Anyway,
the other person they do.
More bass more chicken break for you. When we come back, we will continue it. But we'll go begin taking our calls also when we come back. Still on top of the night show. When they come back.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.